Hi everyone, Ben Groves here from MachineMetrics. Today we're going to look at automations and workflow within the platform. The idea of automations and workflows is to automate notifications, whether it's via SMS or email, or to the operator's interface, or maybe to a third-party system such as a ERP system or maintenance system, for example. And basically we can set certain conditions. Once those conditions are met, the system will automatically perform the action that you've configured. So we're going to go ahead and look at setting a workflow up. To access workflows, we come over to automations here on the left hand side in the main menu. And you can see we've already got several set up already. You can turn them off and on, so you can enable or disable them here. I'm going to come over here and select new workflow. And the workflow that I'm going to be setting up today is an alert for operators and supervisors for when a feed override goes less than 100%. So I'm going to call it feed less than 100. I want to target an individual machine here. I'm not going to do all machines, so I'm going to select individual. And the machine I want is a 3-axis mill at the bottom here. I could also do this by all machines in a specific group. The trigger, so when this occurs, is when the action will be performed. And you can see we have several triggers available to us. When an alarm occurs, the machine enters a specific downtime category, or the machine reports idle, for example. But the one we're going to look at today is condition monitor. And you're probably already aware by now that within MachineMetrics we have multiple data items that we are tracking within machine tools. And one of them is the feed override. So from the type menu here, I shall select the feed override. You can obviously select all of these different options available to you. And you can also create your own custom condition monitors as well. And I'm going to select that from here. Now, what is the trigger operator? Well, it's going to be less than, and the threshold will be 100. And you'll notice that down here we've got a window that's just appeared showing the last 24 hours. And the background has now gone red. If I change that to 10%, we haven't triggered the alert. Put it to 100, it's just gone back to red. Okay, so that is going to be our trigger. Now we need to add an action. We can add multiple actions. The first one that I'm going to add will be the notification, and we'll also add the operator message. The webhook option that you see here is to send this information onto a third-party system in the form of a webhook. There is normally also a fourth option, and that is to pause an operation run. This machine does not have an operation run active, so we do not see that option, but that is a fourth option that will be available. So I'm going to select notification, and I'm going to select myself as the user to receive the notification. Just want to make you aware that if you want to receive notifications inside of settings here, you will need to have specified your email address, your mobile number if you want the SMS notifications, and you will need to turn on the option to receive these messages within settings. Okay. The other thing that you'll want to do is specify the hours that you want to receive these messages. If you don't want to be receiving them late at night, you can control the window as to when you receive these. Now, I'm also going to add an operator message. So this will appear on their tablet. And I'm going to say, please return the feed dial back to 100%. And that will instantly appear and remain on their tablet or interface until it's returned to 100%. So the operator knows to do that. Save that. And that is the workflow successfully created. If you have any other questions or would like any further examples, please reach out to us. Always happy to help. Thanks for watching.